this.
Go.
Salvete, those of you actually watching this. I'm surrounded by heathens.
I
Here's
know.
a-
Draw.
Alright, y'all help me out here. You can draw after you help me make this video.
No.
No food until the work is done. Alright,
Tell me what
Quis est in horto. Let's just go through and translate these and talk them out. Quis est in horto. What does that mean? Who?
is in the garden.
Who's in the garden? Very good. Okay. Quis erat in triclinio.
Who was in the
Was in the
what's it called?
what room
dining
of the
room.
house? Dining room. There we go. Okay, so the difference est is, erat is was. That's one thing. What? Okay. Quid sunt in cubiculo.
Wow.
What's the difference between quid and quis? It's not why. Why is what? Yeah, quid is what.
What is
What?
what
We'll say it
is-
like this. What things? What does
Are-
sunt mean? Are.
in the bedroom?
Bedroom, very good. And I put things there just in quotation or in parentheses because I'm saying quid sunt. Normally in English we wouldn't say what are in the bedroom. That doesn't really make sense. So
I would say that.
yeah, what are in the bedroom? Quid erant in tabellino.
What was?
And we'll
in
once again
the
say
study?
things were.
What?
in
It's
the-
were?
Erant is were as opposed to
In
sunt.
the study.
In the study, very good.
Yeah.
What things were in the study? Ubi sunt quoqui et ubi sunt quoqui optimi et pater. What-
Where
Where?
are the cooks?
The
good
good
cooks.
cooks
The good
and the
cooks.
Excellent
father.
cooks.
And father.
And father. Okay. So yeah, optimi is not bonus is good. Optimi is like excellent or best, right? Where are the excellent cooks and father? Matres pulcherrimai in via sedebant. What are matres pulcherrimai? Not just beautiful, but the very beautiful mothers, right?
Give me one. Okay. Give me
Very
one.
Yeah, because normally if it was just pulchri, that'd be beautiful. Pulcherrimai, see it's longer. That means very beautiful. Okay. What were they doing? Sedebant. They were sitting.
Yeah, they were sitting.
If they were doing a sit in the
Street.
the streets. Very good. In Via, I don't know why. I guess it's some type of protest. Dominus laetus, quibum bonum and mensa gustavit. These are a lot of old words here. What's
the happy master
master? What did he do? Gustavitz.
is tasting.
Is tasting? Gustavit.
Oh, what tasting? What
Tasted.
tasted.
Oh, God.
Tasted?
Tasted.
the excellent? No, the good dinner in,
That's just food.
on the table.
On the top left. Very
On the
good.
table.
Okay, very good. On the table.
I'm so good at this.
Yeah, you is. All right, let's see. Mercator est amicus meus et in toga dormiebat. Excuse me. What's a mercator?
The merchant
The merchant, and what is he?
and friend
Merchant, is it and friend?
Is
Whose friend?
is friend.
master.
Is my friend. Meus is mine. And what does the merchant do? In toga dormiebat.
Sleep in the toe.
He was sleeping, right, because it's
In
dormiebat.
the toga.
In a toga. Yeah. He sleeps in a toga. I don't know.
Why
Just
would
you
you
do what you
know
want.
that? I don't
Sleep
want
in
to
the
know
bed
what you
sheets,
wear
in the
when
bed
you
sheets.
sleep.
Yeah, basically.
It's sheetception.
It's like a quesarito. Okay. Ecce, leones in janua circumspectat et vinum meum bebunt. What is ecce?
Hark!
Hark.
Hard.
Hark. Behold, look. Leones.
Fine.
The lions, what are they doing? Circumspectant.
Look around.
Look, are looking around or look around. Are around.
Oh, wait, isn't it
And
looked around because there's no B?
there's no V and there's no VA. If it was circumspectorum, then it'd be they watched or looked around. And if it's BA, bond, it would be were looking around. But since you don't see a V or a BA there, it's just present tense. Are
Look
looking
around?
They look around or they are looking around. It could be either.
Okay, in the door.
And in the door. I'm sorry, I missed that. In Yanua, in the door. I'll just say like in the doorway. It makes a little bit more sense. And what else are they doing? And
drinking
They drink.
my wine.
They drink my wine. Now we
Rude.
got drunk lions.
Pestis.
Pestis.
Rude.
Pestis ebrius. Let's see. Navis magna ad tabernam vinum eratum portavit.
Wow.
What is a navis magna?
The big ship
The big ship. What did it do? Portawit.
carried
Carried. Very good. What is it carrying?
Wine.
What type of wine?
Tabard.
very angry
Irracha,
wine.
the angry wine.
Carried
Add
on
Baranov
to the shop.
to the shop, to the tavern. Yeah. Ego te video. Sorry. What's
I
I? What am I doing?
see.
C.
Hi.
Well, what is te?
I don't know. You.
You. I see
Hi.
you. Sup. Hello. I see you. Oh. Ego te video. Sorry. Alright. Cur you dex mindacum coquit.
Oh dear.
Oh dear. Cur you dex mindacum coquit. What is cur again?
Wine.
Why?
Why?
That's why. Why is the judge coquit
Cooking.
cooking the what?
The liar.
The liar. Why is the judge cooking the liar?
Because he lied.
Because he lied.
What's up?
That's not very.
It's no, it's not.
Who-
Big on cannibalism.
What judge is going to convict the judge? That's
Who
a big
who
problem.
watches the watchman? I know, for real. Quis custodes ipsos custodiet. All right, poetae perteriti pecunias non habuerit. What are poetae perteriti?
Poets.
How are the poets feeling?
Tiny.
Not tiny. That'd be
Pretty.
parley.
Terrified.
No, it's
They're
terrified.
Terrified
That'd be
poets.
Poultry. Yes, throw yourself. The terrified poets. Pecunias non habuerit.
They don't have money.
Did not have money. Yeah.
Oh,
didn't
that's
have,
so sad.
Didn't have money. Non habuerit. Habent would be they didn't have. Habuerit is they didn't.
Put on a.
Ego sum agricola, said Kibos non window. Ego sum agricola. What is that?
I am a farmer,
I'm a farmer,
but I do not sell.
but I don't sell food.
I mean, you can be a farmer and not sell food.
Yeah, no. Well,
Farm
he
for
falls
yourself.
into that category. Hodie mendaces iratissimi ad sumt. What are Alfred? What is hodie, y'all? Today, mendaces iratissimi ad sumt.
The angry liars,
Not are they angry or are they
very angry,
the very angry liars or the angriest liars
are here.
are here, are present. I do not anymore. It broke and it's dead. I have paper clips on my desk right behind my phone.
Oh, I love it.
Ubi in urbe sines fabulous longas spectaverunt. Ubi means what? Where in
Where?
urbe?
In the city.
City. Sines.
The old men.
Where in the city did the old men spectaverunt? Watch or spectate. Fabulous
The
longas.
the long show.
Long shows, the long plays. Yeah.
But Asher didn't.
Ash is in Miss Younghouse's room. Postquam uinis cum terba laetissima stabat ad vilam meam viniebat.
After.
Yep, there you go. Postquam is after uinis. These are getting into the harder sentences.
Eunice is the boy.
I stole your only blue paper clip.
Yeah, after the young
boy
man
was.
stabats.
I don't know.
Two stabats. Stand. Yeah. Okay. There you go. After the young man was standing, cum terba laetissima,
The very.
with the very happy turba crowd. And Wilam meam viniebat. What did he do after that? Viniebat
Came back home.
came to whose
Came
home?
to my house.
Came to my home. He came to my home. And we're saying Viniebat there, which could be he was coming to my home, but that just kind of sounds weird, so we're saying, I'm just going to say came there. And if you translate it that way on the test, I won't mark you hard at all.
Today.
Today,
Day.
quid tu res Wendy's.
The giraffe is the best one.
No. I know, right? Great. Off track.
Quid means Squid means what?
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 What? Who?
There you go. Great. No, it means what? Okay. Today, what are...
They came? No.
What things are you selling?
Yes, very good. What things are you selling? Very good.
Good job.
Res there means things. They're being sold. What are you selling? Very good. All right.
I don't know.
Parvus fur, fabulous optima, scripsit. What is a parvus fur? Parvus is the opposite of magnus.
Oh, the tiny thief.
The small thief. Scripsit.
Right.
It's the perfect tense. Wrote.
Wrote.
Amazing place.
Yeah, like excellent stories or plays. I'll say stories here just to show it can also be translated that way. All right. Olim libertus fortissimus canam parvam tuam vehementer superavit quod iratus erat.
Once upon a time.
Once upon a time. I'll just say once. Libertus fortissimus. What is a libertus?
The free man.
What type of freedman? Fortissimus.
The brave free man.
The very brave or strong freedman. Vehementer superavit. What is superavit?
Overpowered.
Okay, anybody remember vehementer?
No.
Violently.
Oh.
Overpowered. Canam parvam tuam.
The small dog.
The
Not
small
dog.
dinner.
Not the dog. Canam. Not dog.
It's the very small.
The very small. Whose small dinner?
Yours.
Your
Very
small dinner. It's not very
Dinner.
small. Your small dinner. Quod iratus erat. Why?
Because he was bad.
He was angry. Yeah.
Angry.
He was pressed.
He was pressed. Yes.
Why are there so many?
There's a lot of it's a lot of review. Cur tu ferocater per whelam festinas. Cur tu ferocater per whelam festinas. What is cur? Is it who, what,
Why?
when, where, or why?
Why?
Why are
You.
you festinas?
Play.
It's same word as currit or contended.
Hurrying.
Why are you hurrying? Why are you hurrying ferociously? Ferocater per whelam.
Through the house.
I ask my son this often, once again. Why are you running ferociously through the house? Quod ego cubiculum non habeo semper in via dormio. There's a lot of that. Because ego cubiculum non habeo.
I don't have a bedroom.
Because I don't have a bedroom. Semper in via dormio. What do I mean?
know.
Semper? Anybody here in Razzi?
Simplify.
Semper fi meaning
I don't know what that means. Though. I just
how
know that
often are you faithful if you are semper fi? Always. I always in via dormio.
Sleep in the street.
I always sleep in the street.
Homeless.
Yeah, basically.
What's a good name for a monkey?
A good name for a monkey?
George.
Reed.
Reed.
I don't know. Quid tu cum centurione mortuo facis? What is a quid? Quid is what? There we go.
What?
Two facis. So you guys remember what facis
You.
means? It can mean do or
You
make. So
made-
what are you doing or making?
What are you making?
Cum centurione mortuo.
Go.
What is cum?
With
What is a
Why
centurione
you
mortuo?
The dead.
the dead soldiers.
With the dead soldier. What are you doing with the dead soldier? Or what are you making with the dead soldier? These are both good questions. Not good. I don't know why I wrote that sentence. Quis est prope me et intente matre meam specta.
What?
Why am I writing this sentence? Quis, who, what, when, why, or where? Who
What?
est prope me? Who is
Near me.
near me and intente matre meam spectavet and
Intensely watching my mom.
intensely.
Watching my mom.
Yeah.
What?
This really spectavet is a weird tense here. I'm just gonna change that to. I'll change it to spectabat. Oops. And change this one over here to erat for the future, not for you guys. Okay. Harry,
That's so
Ego mo-
concerning sentence.
It is.